Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content. Today we will show you a collection of wooden craft ideas for minimalist home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's fast-paced world, minimalism has emerged as a popular lifestyle choice, emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and intentional living. For many, this means decluttering their homes, focusing on quality over quantity, and creating spaces that reflect their values. Wooden crafts can play a significant role in this endeavor, providing practical solutions that not only enhance the aesthetics of minimalist homes, but also serve functional purposes. The natural beauty of wood, combined with its versatility, makes it an ideal material for crafting items that embody the principles of minimalism. One of the most compelling aspects of wooden crafts is their ability to blend seamlessly into minimalist environments. Wood's organic textures and warm tones offer a sense of grounding and tranquility, which is essential in spaces designed to promote relaxation and clarity. When incorporated thoughtfully, wooden items can enhance the simplicity and elegance of a minimalistic design while serving practical functions. A perfect example of this is the creation of wooden shelving units. In minimalist homes, where space is often limited, having efficient storage solutions is crucial. Handmade wooden shelves can be designed to fit specific spaces and needs, providing both functionality and visual appeal. These shelves can serve as platforms for displaying books, plants, or curated decorative items, allowing homeowners to personalize their spaces without overwhelming them. The simplicity of a well-crafted wooden shelf complements the minimalist ethos by encouraging a less-is-more approach, where each item on display carries significance. Another practical application of wooden crafts in minimalist homes is the creation of multifunctional furniture. In small spaces, furniture that serves multiple purposes is invaluable. For instance, a wooden bench can be designed to function as both seating and storage. By incorporating hidden compartments within the bench, homeowners can store blankets, shoes, or other essentials, reducing clutter while maintaining an open and airy feel. This approach not only optimizes space, but also aligns with the minimalist principle of using items that serve more than one purpose. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Crafting wooden trays is another excellent idea for minimalist decor. A simple wooden tray can organize everyday items like keys, mail, or small plants, keeping surfaces tidy and free from chaos. The beauty of a handcrafted tray lies in its ability to be both functional and decorative. A well-designed wooden tray can serve as a focal point on a dining table or coffee table, subtly enhancing the overall aesthetic while promoting organization. This practicality aligns perfectly with the minimalist philosophy, which values functionality without sacrificing style. Moreover, wooden decor items such as wall art or sculptures can add a personal touch to minimalist spaces. Unlike mass-produced art, handcrafted wooden pieces carry a story and character that resonate with the values of minimalism. These items can be simple yet striking, drawing attention without overwhelming the senses. For instance, a wooden wall hanging made from reclaimed wood can serve as a unique statement piece that reflects the homeowner's commitment to sustainability. This not only beautifies the space, but also invites conversations about the craftsmanship and materials used. Additionally, wooden planters can enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, which is particularly important in minimalist design. Incorporating plants into a home brings life and vibrancy while promoting well-being. Wooden planters can be designed to complement the aesthetic of a minimalist home, whether through clean lines or organic shapes. These planters can be placed on windowsills, shelves, or even as part of a vertical garden, providing a natural element that softens the starkness often associated with minimalism. The presence of greenery combined with the warmth of wood creates a balanced environment that feels welcoming and serene. Creating a wooden serving board is another practical solution for minimalist homes. A handcrafted board can enhance the experience of serving food, whether during casual gatherings or intimate dinners. Its simplicity allows it to blend seamlessly into the kitchen or dining area, serving both as a functional tool and an elegant display piece. The act of serving food on a wooden board encourages mindfulness in dining, emphasizing the importance of presentation and the enjoyment of meals. This aligns with the minimalist focus on intentionality, making each meal a special occasion rather than just a routine task. Wooden coasters are another small but impactful addition to minimalist decor. These simple items help protect surfaces while adding a touch of natural beauty to the home. Handmade wooden coasters can be crafted in various shapes and sizes, allowing for customization that fits the homeowner's aesthetic. They serve a practical purpose while also contributing to the overall design, reinforcing the idea that even functional items can be beautiful and intentional. Incorporating wooden crafts into a minimalist home also supports the notion of sustainability. By choosing to create and use wooden items, homeowners can reduce their reliance on plastic and other synthetic materials that can be harmful to the environment. Crafting with wood often involves using locally sourced or reclaimed materials, which further minimizes the ecological footprint. Emphasizing sustainability within a minimalist framework aligns perfectly with the philosophy of making thoughtful, conscious choices about the items we bring into our lives. Moreover, the process of creating wooden crafts can be a therapeutic and fulfilling endeavor. Engaging in hands-on activities like woodworking fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages mindfulness. The act of shaping and refining wood into functional pieces provides an opportunity to slow down and appreciate the beauty of the material and the craft itself. This engagement with the creative process mirrors the minimalist goal of finding joy in simplicity and craftsmanship, ultimately leading to a deeper appreciation for the items we choose to keep. As minimalist design continues to gain traction, the importance of creating wooden crafts becomes increasingly evident. These items not only serve practical purposes, but also embody the values of sustainability, craftsmanship, and intentional living. By integrating wooden decor into minimalist spaces, individuals can cultivate environments that are not only functional but also deeply resonant with their personal values and aesthetics. The practical solution of creating wooden crafts for minimalist homes offers a myriad of benefits. From functional shelving and multifunctional furniture to decorative items and sustainable practices, wood serves as a versatile material that enhances both the beauty and functionality of living spaces. By embracing the natural charm of wood, individuals can create environments that reflect their commitment to simplicity, sustainability, and intentionality. The result is a harmonious living space that not only meets the demands of modern life, but also fosters a deeper connection to the materials and the environment. Through the art of crafting with wood, minimalism becomes not just a design choice, but a way of life, enriching homes and lives in meaningful ways. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden craft ideas for minimalist home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.